Hello everyone, today we'll be solving the CPT June 2018 question paper. We'll be solving questions which came in the quantitative section of the paper. Today we'll be solving question number 51 and question number 52. So let's start off with question number 51. In question number 51 it has been said if log of 2 to the power 1 by 3 to the base x is equal to 1 by 15, then x is equal to, options are 2, 8, 16 and 32. So here we have been given that log of cubic root of 2 to the base x is equal to 1 by 15. Now we know that this can be written down as log of 2 to the power 1 by 3 to the base x, and that is equal to 1 by 15, and this is equal to 1 by 3 into log of 2 to the base x, and this is equal to 1 by 15. Now if this 3 goes over on this side, then 3 by 15 will be 1 by 5. So we ultimately get that log of 2 to the base x is equal to 1 by 5, and that implies that 2 is equal to x to the power 1 by 5. Now if we take the fifth root of basically take both sides, increase the power of both sides to the power, this implies that x is equal to 2 to the power 5. Basically we can say that the 2 to the power 5 is nothing but equal to 32, which is the option D. So option D over here is the correct option. Now let us move on to the next question. Next question, we are not solving question of 52, we will be solving question of 53. In question of 53 it has been said that if A is the set phi comma phi, then the power set of A is option A. These are the options that have been given. Now what do we mean by power set? That is what we need to know. Now power set is basically the set which is the combination of all the subsets including the null set. So this is what we know by a power set. So power set of A in this case will be basically the elements of A are phi and phi. So the power set of A will be phi, then the set only containing the element phi. Basically the null set, the set containing the element phi, then 0, and then we have also the set A. So option B over here is the correct option. Option B. So today we have solved question of 51 and 53. We will be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Thank you very much.